Good evening, YouTube fans. I'm painting my plastic coverware on my door handles. I got tired of it looking like this, all faded and kind of looks kind of cruddy. I've already taped it off. This is after using several different products that promise to restore the shine and get the gloss back. Most of those products work for a very little time and then it goes back to looking the way it is, so I'm going to resort to this. I got the gloss black spray paint and I'm just going to have at it. I'm going to let that set for a little bit and then come back and hit it again in a little while. I don't want it to run. Anyways, this is my video. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.